Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is March 29th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the NASDAQ 100. That's QQQ on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. I see I'm looking at the future contract here. Let me change this over to QQQ, and I'll link it to that ETF. All these products, all these are the NASDAQ 100. They're not the NASDAQ composite. You know, there's a difference. So this is what I'm looking at. And let me get rid of this right here. So that's nothing important. But, you know, this is in a virtual account too. So let's just see that. All right, let's zoom in here and let's take a look at this quarterly chart. Let's just maximize this and change this. And there we are. QQQ hasn't quite reached that R1 level. The Qs haven't reached that R1 level. We're still below that R1 level. That R1 level looks like it's at 461.51. We're about a little less than $20 away from that. So again, it won't be until next month until we reach that point. I am still kind of bullish on the market. I do see it going higher. I'm just what I see, and I have to trade what I see. You know, not what I think. Not what I have some expectations and think that things should do things, but it's just trade what you see. All right, let's go down here to the monthly chart and see, like on this monthly chart, I am beginning to see doji maybe at a top, and maybe this is beginning to get some indecision here. I'll see it on a larger time frame, and we may get that turnover because we've been going up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, 5 green candles. That's a pretty good run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles. So let's see what's going to happen here in April. I was about to say May and go away, like they used to say it, but I've seen it when May and this market keeps going up. So I don't even believe in that crap anymore. So that's why I just say let's see what happens here. Again, but right now I see next month we will be opening above pivot the way it looks right now. And if we're going to be open above pivot, I look for the market to stay above pivot. It can come back down here and test pivot, but I look for it to be actually higher by the end of the month, and that means it probably will reach this R1 level by the end of April. Like I said, I have expectations, you know, but I just try to trade what I see. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. And all on the weekly chart, again, we got again on here we get another little evening star, but we didn't get confirmation. It's kind of like an inside it's a doji, you know. So no play yet here. This is another pattern, close to another pattern that we talk about at Right Side Trading. But again, then the following weeks, this is I said evening star. This is more of a morning star at a top. You prefer to see these down here at the bottom somewhere, not at a top like this. But that's what we see at this time. We're well above the 50 moving average and everything, and all this. This market is still a pretty strong bull market. Let's go down to the daily noise and let's wrap this on up and see what we see here. Anything interesting? Nothing too interesting here. It's just a bunch of noise, as usual. This week was really kind of like, not too much of anything going on this week. The market kind of just went sideways. This is one of the interesting things. Look like next week on the opening, we might be opening below pivot. So that might, and with this thing, how it's kind of been trying to trend down, we got a lower low and a lower low and a lower high, back here. And we got a lower high, but we just didn't get a lower low. They kind of held this market up at the end of the month, so we'll kind of like have to wait and see what happens there on that last. They held it up at that last day and completely kind of like, I can say this gap is filled here now. Don't know and don't think so it's going to come down here, but we never know, and try to fill this gap that we can see here on this daily picture. And that's pretty much it. That's all I really want to share. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.